everyone! Before we begin with the documentary video, we would like to tell you guys a little bit about the parasite of our choice, which is Taenia solium. Taenia solium is a pork tapeworm that belongs to the family Taenidae. Consumption of raw or undercooked pork may result in infections of this tapeworm called cysticercosis. Taenia solium mainly affects the health and livelihood of farming communities in developing countries of Africa, Asia, and Latin America.
Next, the stage where Taenia solium is passed through humans from ingestion is the infective larvae called Cysticercus cellulose. Not only that, the eggs of Taenia solium can be passed through the stool. Therefore, the ingestion of the eggs through the fecal oral route will lead to the hatching of the eggs producing the infective larvae of Taenia solium. Cysticercosis can be developed in any part of the body such as in muscles, skin, eyes, and central nervous system, where the symptoms also differ according to the location. It is most serious and common to develop in the central nervous system. The condition where the parasite develops in the central nervous system is referred to as neurocysticercosis, where the symptoms may include chronic headaches, blindness, and seizures, which can also be fatal.
Next is the life cycle of Taenia solium. Eggs or gravid proglottids are found in the water from soil, environment, and contaminated vegetation. Pigs become infected by ingesting the eggs of Taenia solium and they migrate to the intestinal wall of pigs. In the pig's intestine, oncospheres hatch, invade the intestinal wall, and circulate to the striated muscle. This is the place where they develop into cysticercus. Infection in pigs is usually asymptomatic. When human ingests cysticercus from raw or undercooked pork, it will develop into an adult tapeworm inside the human's small intestine. It took 2 months for the development process, and tapeworms may survive in the human body for several years. The eggs will be released and passed with human stool.
Do you know what are the treatments and how to prevent this parasite? Praziquantel is the recommended drug of choice for the treatment of this tapeworm infection, which should be taken as single oral dose containing 5 to 10 mg per kilogram. If cysticercosis is present, specialized treatment is needed and the patient may need higher doses of praziquantel, corticosteroid therapy as well as surgery for hydrocephalus. But this may depend on the location, size, number, and development of the infection. As we know, prevention is better than cure. Proper hand washing habits should be applied as a good hygiene, which is very important to decrease the chances of infection. A good sanitation of infected human feces can inhibit pigs from being infected with Taenia solium. Ingestion of undercooked pork or fish should be avoided, which is the best way to avoid parasitic infection. Cooking at a high temperature for sure will kill the larvae. Now, for further understanding, let's watch a documentary video of Taenia solium, or we call it as pork tapeworm.